This is Activity 4.3 on page 139, Filtering and Sorting Data in a Form. We have our database My Cabin Rentals forms open, and we also have our Form Cabins form open. As you test the new form, you will apply a filter and sort. You will sort by cabin name, and you will filter the form to show only cabins in Ontario, Canada. So number 1, view the current sort order in the form. With our form open, we're going to go to our Home tab on our ribbon. And in the Views command group, we're going to select the drop-down. And we want to make sure that Form View is selected. Some of these views for form look very similar. You can see if I change to Layout View, it looks almost identical. So be sure that you are in Form View. This is important. In the record navigation bar down at the bottom, we want to jump to the first record. And we're going to use the record navigation bar to move through each record and see how they're sorted. So if I go to the next record, brings me to cabin 2, which is Shawinigank Lodge. 3 is Bill's Bungalow. So you can see right now these are sorted in numerical order based on the cabin ID. So the way that they were created in the original database. So we're going to sort our records. We want to click within the name field. Just click anywhere in that field. And then if you go up to your Home tab in your Sort and Filter group, we're going to select Ascending. This brings us to record 1 of 7, and now cabin ID number 3 is in the first record position. And if I scroll through, now you can see that they're in alphabetical order based on the name. So it's no longer based on the cabin ID number. Okay, so you can sort your forms in order that way. If we go up and remove that sort, we want to navigate back to the first record, so make sure you're on 1 of 7. And if you scroll through again, you can see it brought us back to our original sequence, which is sorted numerically by cabin ID. Okay, so remove that alphabetical sort. Number 3, we're going to now filter the records. So right now we have 7 records shown. We're going to click within the excuse me, state province field. And on our Home tab in our Sort and Filter group, we're going to select our filter command. And this brings down a drop down for our filters from state province. We're going to uncheck Select All, and we only want the records shown with cabins in Ontario, Canada. So we're going to check off the ON to show only those and click OK. And now on our record navigation bar, you can see only one cabin is located in Ontario, Canada, and that is the Moose Antler Cottage. So we can't even scroll through any other records because it has filtered them out from our view. So that's the difference between sort and filter. Sort keeps all the records, but it will just put them in a particular sort order, and filter will eliminate any specific records that you don't want seen based on the criteria that you entered. All right, we're going to right-click on Form Cabins and hit Save. And then we're going to close out of that. And then we want to reopen it. So just double-click on Form Cabins in your navigation bar, and you can see that 1 of 7 records is shown now. So even if we save the form when a filter is applied, it's not going to save that view. Filters are not saved with any of your objects. You would have to reapply that every time. Okay, so remember that filters are not saved with your objects. You have to apply them each time you want to see them. All right, so we will leave form cabins open and work on this on our next activity.